Okay. Hey there, my friend. Good to see you. I'm Dave Schwartz right here on Network Weather. Boy, Mother Nature has really cleaned house. It's quieted down in the eastern half of the country. It's quiet in the west, too, as a matter of fact. Promises to be a pretty quiet weekend, all in all. High pressure has settled in from Canada, and that cold front that caused all the problems from Texas all the way up into the northeast with wind and rain and even some severe weather, that is gone. That transition zone has moved out to sea. Even down in South Florida, even though temperatures are mild, it's dry because of this high pressure. Meanwhile, the west of the front that you see here, denoted by that warm front, high pressure's in control here too. Temperatures are mild, but the problem here is valley fog and haze and poor air quality. So take it easy, slow down if the visibility gets low in Boise and Salt Lake City, for example. Nice looking weather for San Francisco and even a nice dry stretch for us in Seattle and Portland all the way through the weekend. Here in the west, pretty much all you see is snow cover. Rocky Mountains, skiers are just enjoying that. And same story here from snow in Kansas all the way up into the Great Lakes. While in the east, the snow has melted because all that warm, rainy weather from the middle of the week got rid of it, melted it, and washed it right away. And that cold front that caused the severe weather, gone way out to sea. Temperatures in behind that front, cold. I mean, even in northern Florida, temperatures will fall below the freezing mark tonight. And we'll start that way on Saturday, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. By the way, I believe that Mr. Punxsutawney Phil will probably not see his shadow. We'll have clouds thickening up over north central Pennsylvania during the day, and that'll spread into the northeast. The only problem there will be some perhaps light snow Saturday night and Sunday. But temperatures will remain cold. The heart of it, the heart of the cold, as you can see, right up here near the Canadian border, back into the western Great Lakes states. While in the west, the cold air primarily in the high mountain valleys and, of course, the mountain tops. Lower areas and over toward the Pacific Northwest and back down into the desert Southwest should be nice and mild right through the weekend. So all in all, a pretty quiet weekend, almost from coast to coast. Now it's time to take a look at weather words. And rain and freezing rain are my weather words today because, well, there's some confusion about it. You know, rain and freezing rain is the same thing as the drops are falling through the atmosphere. Rain, when the temperature is above the freezing mark, and of course, this is what it sounds like and what it looks like when the remnants of a hurricane blow through upstate New York. That's when this video was taken in Newburgh, New York, during Hurricane Irene's onslaught. Freezing rain, however, is the same raindrop, but it's falling into air that just below freezing usually. And when that happens, that water from the raindrop, once it hits the ground or trees or power lines, freezes. You get a glaze and an ice storm. So freezing rain and rain, same deal, falling. Rain stays liquid from clouds like these, bubbly cumulus clouds. Freezing rain freezes on contact. Your weather summary, weather words, all right here at Network Weather. Discover your day, my friend. See you next week.